In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use canvases in Slack. Canvases are living documents right inside your channels that help you collect notes, lists, media, and more so your team can stay aligned without leaving Slack. I'll walk you through creating a canvas, setting it up, and adding useful elements that make it truly collaborative. Start by opening Slack on your desktop app or in a browser. Choose the channel where you want to work with a canvas. Before you create anything, it's helpful to confirm who will be able to see it. Open the channel's members to review access, since canvases in a channel inherit that channel's visibility. When you're done reviewing, close the members panel to get back to the main view. In the message composer, click the Attach Plus icon and select Canvas. This brings up your canvas view. Here, click All Canvases to see everything available to you across your workspace, then click Shared with You to narrow to items others have sent your way, and finally, click Created by You to focus on your own work. Now choose Create New Canvas to start fresh. Give your canvas a clear, descriptive name so teammates can recognize its purpose at a glance. If you like, click Add Cover to add a visual banner. It can help with quick scanning when you have many canvases. Then click into the editor where it prompts you to start writing. This is your main workspace, and everything you add here saves automatically. To speed up formatting and inserts, type A// to open the inline insert menu and select Canvas. This is a quick way to embed or reference Canvas elements from right where you're typing. Type A/ again and choose Checklist to insert a checklist block. Checklists are ideal for tasks and meeting notes your team can act on together. Add your first item by typing Meeting with Client Tomorrow. Slack recognizes natural language dates. When you see the suggestion for tomorrow with a date, click it to turn the text into a smart date chip. Now type at 9:00 a.m. to capture the time right in the checklist item. Using date and time inline makes it easier to scan plans and follow up later. Next, open the insert menu with the plus icon inside the canvas. Choose Record Video Clip to add a quick walkthrough or status update in your own words. Then select Record Audio Clip if you prefer a voice note. This is great when you want to capture context without writing a wall of text. Both options help teammates absorb information faster. Add some structure by inserting a divider to separate sections, like plans versus decisions. Insert a date element to call out a key deadline or milestone on its own line. Choose Profile to reference a teammate's profile card directly in the canvas, which makes ownership unambiguous without pinging them unnecessarily. Then click Workflow to include a workspace workflow entry point so people can kick off a request or form right from the document. For emphasis, insert a callout and write a short highlight or warning so it stands out visually. Use List to capture bullet points where a checklist isn't necessary. Add an image to illustrate a concept or show a screenshot. Then choose File to attach supporting documents your team might need, like specs or briefs, so everything lives in one place. When you need more structure, choose Table and set up rows and columns for things like owners, status, or due dates. Finally, click Layouts to switch up the page structure, such as creating side-by-side sections that make comparisons or summaries easier to read. Layouts help you present information cleanly without leaving Slack. That's it. You opened Slack, confirmed who can see your work, navigated canvases, created a new one, titled it, added a cover, started writing, used /commands to add a checklist with a smart date and time, and inserted rich elements like video, audio, dividers, dates, profiles, workflows, callouts, lists, images, files, tables, and layouts. With these tools, your canvas becomes the single, shared source of truth for your team's plans and decisions. Easy to find, easy to update, and easy to act on.